been quite interesting for me, and whenever I am in Chennai, I don't miss it. Hopefully, if I get a little faster correspondence from the new team, I think I'll join faster. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Vandana. I am Satish. I am a PhD scholar from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. This is our first meeting.
How you come to know about this?
Already in IIT there is one
Toastmaster.
I came here to the expo.
Very good, sir. Dharbaneshwar.
I am also from IIT Madras, and I am a member of IIT Toastmaster. So since it's a SEM holidays, that was not offered, so I just came here to explore this.
Next is Sharmila.
Good afternoon, I am Sharmila. I am from Malayalam. I am a banker. I work at State Bank of India. I am chief manager of Koyana area branch. I learned about Toastmaster. I was interested in the public speaking, so I searched in web and I got to know about Toastmaster. And I attended one club meeting as a girl such a Toastmaster. And this being here, my home, I
Next, Yelagovan.
Hi everyone, my name is Silam Govar. I am working as an ERP SAP analyst in Linux India Technology Center. I stay nearby Taramani. I am interested in public speaking, so I wanted to join or implement on it. So I came to know about this site when I was browsing in internet. I searched many clubs, so I found the Medleys Club website interesting as well as the Facebook updates interesting. So I thought it would be good.
Lakshmi Manoj.
Good afternoon. My name is Lakshmi Manoj. I run a music school by Christian Carnatic Music. This is my third time here as guest. First time I came, and second time it was a milestone meeting. But yet to join as a full-time member because my music classes normally clash. So this being the vacation, no students are not there. But I love the first two experiences and want to come as much as possible. So I brought my friend also to meet me.
Vibhaga.
Hi, my name is Vibha Ram, and my friend, as she mentioned, actually brought me here. This is my very first time at Toastmasters, and hope to benefit from it.
We are very glad you have all come to attend this today's meeting. And today's meeting is attendance is very thin because our district ovation is going on in Magendra World City. So that is a district conference. Every 6 months one conference is being held in Toastmaster fraternity. So that's why our attendance is today thin. We don't want to stop the Toastmaster meeting. We want to continue. That's why we are conducting this meeting. Now, the Toastmaster International is a non-profitable organization. For the benefit of girls, I would like to say something about the Toastmaster International. It was started in 1924 by one Mr. Smedley. This Toastmaster Club, International Toastmaster, it is called Toastmaster Club. That is called International Toastmaster. So this Toastmaster Club, it is there in 135 countries, and there are 15,400 clubs are there functioning all over the world. And also at present the strength of the membership is 3,32,000 members are there now. Maybe many more members have come here. After spending some time they would have left. If we calculate that, it will go millions. So now at present the strength is 3,32,000 members are there. And before that, I would like to tell you one thing. One teacher asked a primary school student, not a high school student or college student, primary school student, in railway track, why there are two rails are there. Then the student replied, sir, one rail is for going, another rail is for coming, for returning. So that student replied, maybe he has understood like that, maybe we'll have to appreciate his imagination. But in the Toastmaster Club, we are also having two tracks. It is functioning simultaneously. The two tracks are called, one is communication track Another is leadership track. So we are in Toastmaster, anyone who joins in Toastmaster, he can practice communication skill and as well as leadership skill. So this Toastmaster International is established only for developing the communication skill and leadership skill. What is communication? Communication is not just conveying the message across. Source, receiver. The communication, the message goes from source to receiver. Again, the same message should go from receiver to source. It has to come back. Then only the source will ascertain that the message has gone correctly. So it should be like that. The person whoever receives the message, it should be fully understood correctly. Then only the communication is complete. And here in Toastmaster, we are developing the communication, one-to-one communication and as well as public speaking communication. And mainly the people who are joining in this Toastmaster club, they have to practice so many, they have to deliver so many speeches. When they start doing these speeches and their self-confidence level is increasing, and after that they will become there are so many stages. After so many stages, one can become a distinguished Toastmaster. And this is communication. What is leadership? Leadership is nothing but developing others. Main motive of leadership, you have to develop others. You cannot just lead in front, and you cannot just produce your followers, and you have to develop the leaders. That is the main function of leadership. Now it is empowering others. By leadership, you can empower, you have to empower others so that they can become leaders. So in Toastmaster, we are taking care of all these things. They are not just leaders. Leader here in every 6 months, we have got one set of leaders. And they are doing their roles. They are playing roles. Every meeting, there are so many role players are there. Like Toastmaster of the day, general level mentor, timer, and grammarian, accountant, so many roles. When you start practicing all these roles, automatically you will become a better leader. So in Toastmaster we are developing two skills, leadership skill and communication skills. So that is the Toastmaster. In International Toastmaster, we are empowering individuals to become an effective communicator and also a leader. That is the motto of International Toastmaster. But within the Toastmaster Club, this is the vision of Toastmaster Club is to equally importance is given to all members. Whoever is present, whoever is joining this club, everybody is going mutually supportive, positive environment is given so that that individual can develop, he can practice the leadership skill, he can practice the communication skills, and he can become, he can gain his self-confidence and grow, personal growth. That is the aim of Toastmaster Club. Toastmaster Club is the starting point. International Toastmaster, it is the starting point. It is the place one has to come and learn. We have to learn by doing. There is nobody to teach you. You are here, you are coming here, you are joining here, you are coming and giving your speech and you are learning. That is the important thing in Toastmaster International. And this another important thing is in Toastmaster, you not only learn the communication and as well as leadership, your listening skill also being developed. Here, you have to listen. The 2 hours, one has to come here, one has to listen to all the speeches. And also, we are having some listening skill test also. So when you go through all this process, definitely your listening skill will improve. So all these things is forming part of this Toastmaster. Every Toastmaster, we have one person, important person, who will be taking the whole procedure from starting to the end. In Toastmaster parlance, he is called the Toastmaster of the day. you can say, so he is the person who is going to conduct the meeting from the beginning to the end. I am, as a presiding officer, I am just addressing the crowd. So that meeting will be conducted. Today, the PM Modi, Toastmaster of the day, is a superlative personality. You cannot just avoid loving her. That's such a personality. And if you would have seen Aishwarya Rai 20 years back, how she would have been. Now you can see Aishwarya Rai 20 years back. I welcome Anusha to take over this